USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about USDCAD. So let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. No wonder we are in the downtrend. So as we can see this low is broken. So we are officially in the downtrend in the USDCAD. Coming back to daily time frame. In Delhi, we are going to take down this low. Yes, probably. So we're going to bounce back now. So this is the low we're going to take down. So we might slightly go further down. You never know. Okay, so starting from Monday, we might touch this black line, which I have just drawn. So the price will hit this line support and then bounce back. Okay, so the swing entry will come after the pullback. If you want to take counter trade, you can do so in some time after you have some bullish signal. Okay. So what I'm saying is price has exhausted in shorts right now. So after exhaustion, you will see a blue engulfing candle and then you can go long until the EMA and then red candle and then you can go short as well. Okay. So coming back to 4-hour here again, in 4-hour, I will go long. So price will touch the EMA and then reject it and then red candle and then we go down. Okay. So trend is down. Look for shorts as per the textbook, but price is exhausted here. The trend is exhausted as you can see. It will take down this low, then bounce back until the EMI. So you can take counter trade if you want to, or wait for the short setup. Blah blah blah. Subscribe, like, share. Join free Telegram. All the links are below my video.